Morning, guys. It's Captain Joseph here, Captain Joe, and I'm just at the La Mariana. I gotta meet up with John, who's the premier Honolulu broker here in Hawaii, and I just wanted to show you guys this cool restaurant and La Mariana Sailing Club while I'm here right now picking up some products and parts for my job today. Yeah, this place is like one of the only Hawaiian style, Polynesian style Tiki bars left on the island. So if you're on the island, stop by Sand Island, check out La Mariana, have a Mai Tai, and just pop in and tell them you know Joe, even though they probably don't know me. Yeah. Right there. The Beachcomber, where good rum is immortalized and drinking is an art. It's the Sailing Club. They offer temporary and permanent mooring. Such a cool little harbor. And this is their restaurant. Where the rum is flowing all day. Such a cool place. So if you're on the island, pop in, have a drink, say aloha, and enjoy the day. I'm gonna meet up with John and grab all my tools, and I'll show you guys the project I'm working on today. Hope you guys like this channel. Please be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's go. Oh yeah, I forgot to add, I have some merch that I just dropped on a website, and I've had a couple purchases, and I've sent out a bunch of stickers. If you guys want a sticker, just send me a message or DM me on Instagram, and I'll mail you guys a little sticker just to show my appreciation. I'm trying to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers, and we're almost at 800 right now, so thanks to you guys and watching my stuff. What's up, guys? Alright, I'm here at the Phoenician, and I'm doing a haul out on this big Beneteau, and I'm gonna do a walk around. I'll show you guys what I'm working on today. Doing a haul out on this big baby right here. And they've got a new sail drive installed, which is super cool. And this is an interesting boat. Big boat, Gratitude. Beneteau, Oceanis 38. Alright, so what I'm doing here is I'm gonna have to tape this entire water line. First clean these little pieces that are just have a little dirt and algae growth on it. And then what I'm gonna do is just sand it with this pneumatic sander, pressurized sander. And then I've got anti-fouling paint right here, which is basically a copper added. It's a paint with a copper additive that keeps barnacles and growth from accumulating on the hull of the boat. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys learned something today. Alright, hull sanded. It looks like I just need to spray down the boat, and then I'm gonna wipe it down with some denatured alcohol, and then we'll start painting. Choo! Alright, I've got the hull all wiped down with denatured alcohol, and I think I'm ready to start applying anti-fouling. So let's get started. So, different color. What do you guys think? Like, dislike, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. This is the second coat. Couple techniques I can explain is just like a house or anything you paint, just do down motions. You want to keep it all even. The first coat, it's a little more forgiving. For example, you can see that this is the first coat right here. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and fill in the second coat, but yeah, you can see how smoother it looks when you keep that one rhythm. So yeah, I'm gonna be filling in this little spot right here with some Bondo, and then I'll sand that down probably in the morning and just finish the bottom paint. So yeah, the boss is super picky, but I think he's happy, but he had a lot to say, but you know, that always happens. I'm gonna be doing a 3-in-1 wax buff on the hull just to get it all shiny for the owner, and then we're gonna be dipping her in the water on Monday. I don't think I'm gonna be here on Monday because I have another boat I'm working on, so a dive boat I'm gonna be captaining. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the progress of Gratitude, this beautiful Oceanis Beneteau 38, and I think I'm gonna sign off right here, and then I'll catch you guys tomorrow when I'm pulling the tape off and getting her all ready to go on the water for Monday. Morning, folks. It's another beautiful morning here at the Phoenician, and I'm trying to wrap up today. And this video is not sponsored by Celsius, but yeah, so we're gonna show you guys what we're gonna do today, and let's get to work. I managed to use some Bondo, which is water resistant and it's really strong, to fill in the pukas, the holes in this keel. This is a this is not a lead keel, it's a cast iron keel. I'm gonna blast off this old these pits right here. I should have did it before I painted this, but it's all good. I got some extra paint, even though this stuff is really expensive. So I'll blast off all these pukas, and yeah, I think I'm gonna fill it. I'm gonna put a layer of Bondo on the side of that, even though I should use a primer, but I think it should be all right. And then do our second coat onto Gratitude, and then I'll hand buff the I'll hand buff the hull, and I think my job would be over. Maybe wash the top of the boat, the deck, but you can see this is the second coat right here, and it's looking really good. So I'm gonna get back to work. Gee. 4%. You know when you're a kid and you play with Tonka toys? I'm a big kid now. I get to play with big toys. I didn't know this thing's at 4%. What the heck? Crap. Might have to keep the video short today, guys. move this bad boy. A little water come out of my mouth. Ready to move this bad boy. Woohoo! Big day. Hey guys, thanks for watching again. I'm going to be trying to post weekly videos, and thanks to all my new subscribers, trying to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. Let's go. Chee! All right, guys. Later.